What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine. If you don't know it, now you do. And today we're going to be doing a Boxycharm unboxing. This month is actually Boxyluxe. So if you actually don't know what Boxycharm is, it's actually a monthly subscription and you get full-size items of its skincare, makeup, tools, all such things. And this month is actually the Boxyluxe. So if you get the base box, you're able to get the Boxyluxe, which is every 3 months, which is this giganto box. Look at her. She is huge. And Boxy regular box is $25. The Boxy Premium, which if you've seen my last video, it was the $35 box, which was the all Fenty. And then this box is, of course, the Boxyluxe, which is $49.99. And once again, this is only every 3 months, so I am ready to open her up because she is giganto. She is big, and the spoilers, they looked good. Alright, so like I said, this is the $49.99 Boxyluxe box, which this is how she looks. It says Boxycharm Luxe with the card, of course, with all the information in it. Let's see. This box is quite big, so I'm probably just going to sit it right here. No. Kind of hard to balance this big old box. But here is the card and the theme. What is the theme? Oh, Pretty Edgy is the theme for this month. And then it has, of course, the list of all the names. And here is for protective stuff, which we don't need that. And let's see, let's get right started. So the first thing in the box is the Sutra Beauty Mini Ceramic Curling Iron, which is this bad boy right here. Let's take her out. Comes with a little case, bougie, and let's see. Ooh, she's cute. Ooh, and it's yellow. How adorable. I love it. And it's a cute little wand. So I do love me my wands when I curl my hair, whenever I do curl it. But this is $50. $50. So the whole box is already paid for just by having this curling iron. Or wand, I mean. All right, and then for the next thing in the box are these two little minis. So these are the Sol de Janeiro. Janeiro? You know I can't be saying shit. But these are the Bum Bum Cream and the Coco Cabana Cream. So this one, the original, literally smells so... it smells so good. It's one of my favorites. I still actually have a mini one of this one. And then this one is the one that smells like coconut, which... it just smells so good. I'll be honest with you, as much as I love coconut, this original Bum Bum Cream, this smell is just, it just smells so good. It just smells so good. And these two little mini ones are $15. So for both of them, it says it's for $15, which I thought these were a little more, but maybe because they're the mini size and I'm thinking of like a bigger one. But these on here say that they're $15, and I'm super glad to have these because those are expensive. Like the bigger ones, probably like 60 bucks, and I ain't trying to spend all that. So the fact that we got the mini ones works perfect for me. And then for third in the box, we got a palette, which it looks like Boxycharm came out with their own palette. Let's see. Let me get this out. I got this out of the freaking packet, but here is the palette. It says Hello Charmers, and ooh, these are cute. Ooh, look at that color. That glittery color looks amazing. I don't even want to swatch it because I might give it away because I honestly have so many palettes and I still keep buying more, and it's pretty, but I'd rather give this to someone or even sell it to someone who will definitely get more use out of it. But here is the palette, and this retails for $39, which that's a lot. I mean, the colors are nice, but like $39, that's how much basically like an Anastasia palette is. So we'll see. I mean, I'll be honest with you, I'm not gonna try it, but I mean, the colors are pretty. All right, and then for the next item in the box, it's this PMD Beauty Smart Facial Cleansing Device. So this is what she's looking like. Let's see. Soft silicone bristles, waterproof, and battery as well. Let's see. So basically, it's one of those, like, not a Clarisonic, because obviously, like, a Clarisonic is way more. But this is, oh, and it comes with a little thing. Ooh, the little silicone. Okay, that's what she looks like. It's actually $99. $99 for this little ass thing. I mean, this shit better take all my makeup off, all my imperfections. Like, it better wipe them all away for $99. On here, it says it is a smart facial cleansing device with over 7,000 vibrations per minute. Our Sonic Glow technology not only ensures a deep cleanse, but provides a way to lift, firm, and tone problem areas for a more youthful appearance. So that is expensive, but I'm excited to use it. So let's get right into the next one. So next is this NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in the color Get Up, Stand Up. Let's see how she looks. Ooh, look at that. Let's see what color she is. Ooh, is this a pink? Ooh, that's like a hot pink. Woo, look at that. I mean, I'm not one to wear hot pinks, but that is pretty. And this retails for $25. This is more like a summer color to me. I mean, like I said, I don't really wear super hot pink, you know, things like this, but I'll definitely try it because I do like, where is it at? This one, which is the Color Pop in Jasmine. This was part of the Princess collection. I do like this color. So it's kind of similar to it. It's just a liquid lipstick form. So I'll definitely be trying this soon. All right, and then next is this, which is the Elizabeth Mott Smooth Shadow Eye Pencil Duo. So it looks like it's like a shadow. Oh, wait. You can sharpen me. Good. So it looks like it's like an eyeshadow. Not a topper, but like kind of the little pencils that you could put on that are shimmery. And then an eyeliner on the other side. So this. Ooh. Wait, why does it say duo? Oh. The other one's in here, but that is the black pencil, and then here is the shimmer stick. Ooh, it's a pretty champagne color. Looks like that. And this retails for $40. Damn. So that's $20 each. $20. That is expensive. But good thing I got this in the box because I would not pay for this like otherwise. But I mean, I could always try them. I like trying new eyeliners. And then I thought this was going to be like one that you put on your eyelid, but it actually more looks like something for the waterline, which works out because I actually don't think I have a nude pencil anymore. Yeah, I don't think I have a nude one anymore. So this works out perfect. And once again, this is $40. So just bear with me, but we only got 2 more items in the box and then we're almost done. So this bad boy is the next one. This is the Moroccanoil Protect and Prevent Spray. Shield your hair color from damage or from daily damage. Protect and Prevent Spray helps keep hair color from fading or becoming brassy by protecting it from exposure to environmental factors that weaken the hair. And this is $30, which Moroccanoil is a really amazing brand. So I'm actually excited to try this. The last item in the box, which is this little bad boy right here. This is Deborah Lippmann Fire on the Horizon and Can't Stop the Feeling nail polish set. It looks like it's a little red nail polish and a pink nail polish, which I'll be honest with you, I'll probably give this to my grandma because she does love her nail polishes. And this retails for $19. So that's a lot for 2 little nail polishes. I mean, we get these quite often in the boxes, which, like I said, I always just give to my grandma. But these are super... They're super cute, and I could definitely give these away. And I mean, it's always nice to have variety in the box. So yeah, that was actually the last item in the box. Finally. All right, so those were everything in the box. It was the mini curling iron, it was the little bum bum creams, it was the palette, it was the little facial cleaner, the liquid lip, it was the eyeshadow duo, it was the nail polishes, and the Moroccanoil. So that was everything in the box, and I will put the total what everything is right there. So that concludes everything in my video. I know it was like short and sweet, kind of just wanted to show you what I got in my Boxyluxe. I get really excited for Boxyluxe because once again, it is only $49.99 and you get a whole bunch of stuff. Like, you seen how much stuff I got. I got what, like 8 or 9 things, and something like this and this that I probably won't even buy on my own, but the fact that I got it in my box is amazing. So I always get excited for Boxyluxe, which once again, it is every 3 months. So it definitely is not something that you have to pay each month. It only comes around the every 3 months. And yeah, so that concludes everything. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And all I gotta say is be safe out there, because I went to the store, I couldn't find no damn bread, and the aisles were so wiped out that like I thought I was gonna see a zombie, because I was like going through every aisle and shit was just like empty. Like I for real was just waiting for a zombie to pop out and then be like double tap, because that's just how the store was looking. I want to thank you guys for watching and letting me be a fool here on camera. But y'all be safe, and before you leave, be sure to subscribe and definitely ring that notification bell, because we're all gonna be home anyway, so you might as well watch all my videos, because I mean, you know you're gonna come back anyways. But I will definitely see you guys in the next one. Okay, bye.